Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing the wrap to my buddy who I did this car for. If you have seen it in a couple previous videos, I said that I was working on it. It's a 93 Z28. This one actually has the hood that I made with like the real vents and whatever. He's got that. He had bought that in the past and then saw the wrap and decided he wanted to wrap his. This was a black car, so we went ahead and left the roof black, handles black, scoops black, you know, this black. There's a couple things that are all left black. I think in the end everything looks pretty good. Everything is right to what he wanted, and that's pretty much all that matters. So we're gonna go ahead, and whenever he gets here to pick it up, we're just gonna kind of surprise him with it. Right now I'm working on just cleaning it up, getting it, you know, as good looking as it can get. Obviously on these F bodies, there's a lot of things that kind of make it a little hard to wrap perfect. So of course every car has their imperfections, and you know, it is what it is. But overall, I mean, if you sit here and look at this car, you just think it looks really good, and you know, that's all that really matters. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and then probably get it set up so that he can come in and see it from like the front side. And yeah, maybe I'll like open up the garage door or something to kind of like surprise him with the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready, and then whenever he gets here, we'll see what he thinks. Alright guys, finally it's out in the sun and everything looks pretty good. Sweet. Alright guys, now I got it all set up, so we're just gonna hide her right here behind the garage door, and I'll just open up the door whenever he gets here. Bang, car's right there. So that's what he's gonna see, so we'll see what he thinks. Let's do this.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, it's fucking amazing.